like lesson. So this is specifically tailored for a beginner. So this is what we have. This is the AL programming language. In the last video I showed you how to install it and a secret website you can use to do AL. If you don't have that knowledge, you can check the previous video. So in this video we're going to do the like three basics, like some few basics about AL. One, we are going to print hello world. To print hello world in AL, we said you can assign a variable by using less than, then dash, then you can be able to print, to add your hello world here. Then in order to call the hello world, you write the name here on the terminal, like you write the name of your variable. This is your variable. So now we want to see what is stored here. So to get that, we call this name here. So when we do that, we get a hello world. Okay, that is the first step. Then we can be able like to assign numbers. So we can do 12. To print it the same thing, you can see 12. Then the other thing that makes AL to be so lovely and it's loved by many people who do statistics is by use of collection or list. So you can be able like to list to use collection and manipulate data that is stored in that collection in a very fast way. So for example, let's say you have your marks, then the way we initialize a collection, we use C. So let's say you had 20, 30, 40 and 60. So let's say those were five subjects. Using AL, you can be able like to do addition of this number, search for mean, do like you add a value to this number in a very fast way. So to print it in the console, this is the list that we have. Now you can be able like to print, to do the means, average, to do average of this collection, and you do by using means, then max. Then you can do like sort. You can be able to sort your max from, by default is I think from smallest to largest. Let's see, smallest to largest, you can see it's sorted. Then you can even do mode. I don't know, mode does not exist. The other thing was mean mode, median. Okay, we can do a median. Median is the number which is at the center. You see 1, 2, this is 5. This collection has 5 items. You can see the item that is at the middle is 40. Then you can be able to use summary. And yeah, hope my this is the value of the summary. I don't know whether my screen is visible at the bottom. Let me check. You can. I don't know. So and now, like now, I think it's visible. So that is how you can be able like to use all. Like all is very simple. Then maybe we do add, then we add, maybe we add 10 marks to each, and you can see each value here we are adding 10, and like we are able to achieve this with a very simple syntax. So that is why we love all. So then the last trick I want to show you is you can use all to plot. You can use a plot function, then you specify the I've not finished. Then you specify what kind of data, what kind of line you want. So you can see we have plotted our data marks against index. Like the first one we have 20, then the second one we have, can't remember, but that is how you can be able to use all. So let's continue learning. Tomorrow or another video we will do the more complex stuff, and we'll continue learning about